Here I have HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card, I mean only SIM card because there's no SD card slot here, into this device. So firstly you have to find some tool like this, which will help you to eject the SIM card slot, which is located right here. So what you do is to just put this tool inside the hole next on the slot, then the slot pops out, and here you have two slots for SIM cards. So this one is SIM 1. You just put SIM card here and then put it back into your device just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card found. So let's enter it. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.